Thought I'd record a quick video of the Blizzard in action. As you can see, I've got it in the configuration I wanted, but it was quite hard to do that. I had to take the plate off. I don't think you're supposed to, and reroute the little bracket that holds AMD's coolers on. But it works fine, it's staying on, it's nice and tight. But I don't think you're actually supposed to do it, and then in time I will upgrade it to, I think, a Coolermaster Evo 212. I think that'd be a better thing for me. I want to overclock a little bit, but it's working okay, and it's, as you can see, working fine, spinning away. And I've got it in PWM.